Hello Dashers, struggling to keep the orders rolling? If you're having trouble with your DoorDash Driver app, you're in the right place. So, how to fix DoorDash Driver app issues? Whether it's crashing, lagging, or connectivity hiccups, I've got some effective solutions to streamline your delivery experience. In this guide, we'll go through simple steps to boost your app's performance, keep you on the road, earning those bucks. Step 1. Check internet connection. Before diving into app troubleshooting, ensure your internet connection is stable. Whether you're using Wi-Fi or mobile data, a weak signal can cause the app to malfunction. If you're on Wi-Fi, try toggling to mobile data or vice versa to see if it improves app performance. Confirm data is enabled for the DoorDash Driver app in your device settings, as some restrictions can be placed. Step 2. Update the app. Running an outdated version of the DoorDash Driver app could lead to compatibility issues. Check the App Store or Google Play Store for any available updates. Updated versions fix bugs and improve stability, so keeping the app current is essential to its smooth operation. Step 3. Clear cache data. Your app might be slowed down by too much cached data. To fix this, clear the app cache. For Android users, head to Settings, Apps, DoorDash, Storage, and tap Clear Cache. For iOS users, you may need to uninstall and reinstall the app to clear cache data. This removes unnecessary temporary files without losing important app information. Step 4. Restart your device. An oldie but a goodie. Simply restarting your smartphone can do wonders. It refreshes your system and can clear out any temporary glitches that might be affecting the DoorDash Driver app. A quick restart might just smooth over any bumps in performance. Step 5. Reinstall the app. If clearing the cache didn't work, try uninstalling and reinstalling the DoorDash Driver app. This can eliminate bugs and refresh the installation, resolving common app issues. Remember to log out before uninstalling to ensure your session is cleared, and re-log in post-installation. Step 6. Check device compatibility. Ensure your device's operating system is compatible with the latest version of the DoorDash Driver app. Sometimes older devices may not support the latest app updates, causing performance issues. Check DoorDash's minimum system requirements and update your device's OS if needed. Step 7. Adjust app permissions. Make sure that the DoorDash Driver app has all the necessary permissions enabled. This includes location, storage, and mobile data access. Go into your device settings, find the DoorDash Driver app, and ensure all permissions are toggled on. Without these rights, the app may not perform optimally. Fixing the DoorDash Driver app issues doesn't have to be a major roadblock in your day. By following these easy steps, you can enhance the app's performance and avoid unnecessary downtime. No more waiting around for the app to load. Get back on the road and keep those deliveries coming. Remember, consistent app maintenance is key to a smooth and steady dashing experience. Stay safe, happy dashing, and let the tips roll in.